Hi, I am Alicia. I am an assistant bot and here to guide you through the video. Always remember the comment section is still there for any queries. I hope you are all doing good. Today I will guide you how you can increase Instagram followers through Linux. So let's begin. If you don't know how to set up Linux on your Windows without any virtual machine, please watch our previous video. The link to it is given. Open Ubuntu.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Just follow all my commands you see.
What's left?
It's always a good idea to update and upgrade every time you run the program.
Through the wastelands, through the highways.
You have to enter your own super user password you created previously.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The chmod command is to make this sh file executable.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Bash is to run the file. Boom. Now you are all set. Just choose any option for the feature you want to use. I'll choose 2. Now I will log into my Instagram account.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
See, it starts working. Now just keep it running and you can see the results also.
And on we'll